Hi, I'm Mike from Lurvey's. Thank you again for joining us today. Today we're in Des Plaines and we're actually going to talk about our fire tables. So what we're going to do today is we're going to work on just basic maintenance. So we're going to talk about maintenance that you can do all summer, into the fall when the leaves start falling, when debris is coming. And this way you're just going to make sure it stays properly clean and you can use it all fall and even into the winter. So the first thing you want to start with is you want to start removing the media that's inside of here. So you're going to start pulling it out. Now, once you've cleared all the media out of the area, what you're going to do is you're going to come in here and you're going to remove leftover debris, so sticks, leaves, extra dirt. You're going to clear it from the table. You're also going to clear it from the burners, because if anything left in there, it's going to cause buildup. So what we're going to do is after this, we're going to focus on the burners and focus on water. Now that we've cleaned the debris out of the burners, now we're going to focus on water. Water is a big problem with burners, because what it's going to do is it's going to cause propane bubbles, and that can be harmful to the table itself and the people around you. So what you want to do is, if you can, use compressed air and clear it out, because otherwise this is what it's going to look like when you first turn it on. You're going to see these bubbles come up. This is propane going through the water. So once we finish cleaning the burners, we can put the media back, and then we're going to finish just on the body. You're going to clean out the base underneath, make sure there's no leaves or debris underneath. Once you've pulled that out, you might have some of this residue from a lot of rain. What you can do is actually use like a vinegar water-based substance to actually just scrub this off, and it gets a lot of it off. So once you're done, you finish this, you're done with your maintenance. We recommend that you actually get some kind of a cover for it. That way you don't have to do as much maintenance over the fall and over the summer, but it also protects the burners when you're not using it. Well, that's all you need. Again, thank you for joining us today. Please follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, for more videos to come. Have a great day.